Today I'm making a quick salad made of apples and fennel. And I make this salad all summer long. And I make it a variety of different ways. Sometimes, like today, I make it with a little mayonnaise and cider vinegar. Sometimes I use olive oil and lemon juice. But either way, this combination of sweet apples and fennel is terrific. And it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So scale it up, scale it down, 1 apple to 1 head of fennel. And we're gonna start with the fennel. I'm gonna cut off these tops here, and these fronds are beautiful and they taste wonderful. And I'm gonna put them in this bowl over here, and I'm gonna use some of them in the final salad as a garnish. All right, now to slice the fennel for a salad, what you wanna do is cut each head in half. And then you can see there's this core right in the bottom here. It's a triangle-shaped core, pyramid-shaped core. You just wanna angle the knife and cut it out. There we go. And now to slice it for a salad, we're just gonna slice it crosswise as thin as you can. If you have a mandolin, this is a great time to pull it out, but I like cutting everything by hand. So I'm just gonna use my nice sharp knife. And get right down to that core. All right. So that is our thinly sliced fennel. So we're gonna set this fennel aside while we work on the apples. 2 apples. I like using Granny Smith's or sweet. This is a Gala apple. Something with a good bright flavor is what you want here. And we're gonna cut it into matchsticks. And to do that, you wanna cut down on the side of each apple, right around the core, so that when you're done coring the apple, you just get a nice thick core. Sometimes I nibble on those as a kitchen snack. And then to make matchsticks, simply working with the flat side of the apple, slice down to make thin slices, then just lay the slices out and make matchsticks. And a rustic cut is really nice here. There's no reason to be precise. This is supposed to be an easy, casual summer salad. So this is not a knife skills test. Sometimes you can stack them like that and cut a whole bunch at one time. Last but not least, a little bit of tarragon. You think about the flavor of tarragon pairs really nicely with the anise licorice flavor of the fennel, and then combine that with the sweetness of the apple, and you have just a winning combination. All right, so you want, a good amount of tarragon, a couple teaspoons. I like tarragon, so I usually add a bit extra. All right. So we're gonna coarsely chop this fresh tarragon. Ah, it's a good smell. Mmm. All right, and that's it for the chopping for the salad. Now into the bowl, I'm gonna make the dressing, then add everything into the bowl. Starting with mayonnaise. About a half a cup of mayonnaise. That's about it. We're gonna add some cider vinegar, which has a really bright flavor. Just a 1/4 cup of cider vinegar. All right, some cider vinegar, about a tablespoon of sugar, some salt and some pepper. Then we're just gonna whisk this together. So as you can see, it's not a lot of dressing, just a little bit, enough to coat it, make it feel like a salad without weighing it down. Into the bowl goes everything. I love this salad. I'm kind of known for this salad. If I'm ever invited to a picnic at someone's house or a backyard barbecue, this is what I bring. All right, a little test for seasoning. So easy, so good. A little salt, a little pepper. And as I mentioned, the fennel fronds on top of the fennel have a lovely flavor. And so you might as well add these in. Just really further that fennel flavor a little bit. And they also are a really pretty garnish. Almost look like dill in a way. All right, so I'm gonna chop them up. And now into a pretty bowl. I'm gonna put all the salad. Again, huge mixing bowl for a small amount of salad. Just reduces the mess you make in the kitchen. All right. And then sprinkle with some fennel fronds. Ah, beautiful. Simple, summery. Might as well make a little plate to taste it. All right. A little salad. The fresh flavor of the salad, the anise with the tarragon, it's like a crisp palate cleanser. It doesn't get any better than this in the summer. See you next time. Thanks for watching. What'd you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you're excited to cook this week. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. You can get today's recipes and more for free at our website, americastestkitchen.com/JuliaAtHome.